Hi guys, my name's Hibbert and I'm a DIY YouTuber from London. If DIY is your thing, then definitely give me a subscribe. So today we are making smudge sticks. Why you cry? Come. We are making smudge sticks. If you don't know what smudge sticks are, they are herbs that you burn in order to cleanse your space. That can be your home, that can be your workplace, that can be your car, anywhere you like. It can be yourself. You can smudge yourself. So I made them with various herbs, as you can see. So I am going to show you how I made these. Each herb has a different property, has a different type of cleansing property. Oh, they already said property. And let's get started. So I start by arranging the flowers and the herbs. What I've noticed a lot of tutorials don't say is that the herbs shrink with time while they're drying. So I actually like to wrap mainly dried herbs. The rosemary is semi-dried though, because if everything's too dry it's going to be crispy and start flaking. So basically I make sure everything's as dry as possible, but not to a level where it's just crumbling away when you're wrapping the string. At the bottom I tie a knot. I make sure that the bunch is in the middle, equally in the middle of the string, so that you have two equal length sides. And I've just added the cute little star charm at the bottom, and I alternate wrapping in a crisscross shape from both sides of the string, and then I just add little bits of rosemary and herbs to bulk it up. Once I get to the top, I make sure it's nice and tight, and then this is where I start adding the rose petals for some extra colour. Once I've added the first few, I start wrapping the string back down and I continue to add more and more petals, piling them up, wrapping as tightly as possible but not too tight that it starts to break anything. And as you can see, I ran out of string a little bit. I measured the string a tiny bit wrong, but that doesn't matter at all. You just tie a tight knot and then you start wrapping again with some new string, and it still looks really beautiful and effective. And that is done! Gosh, how did it get so dark in here? This is London in like November and December. It's just constantly dark, seriously. But anyway, I really hope you guys like this video. I am doing what I can do to kind of give you guys some inspiration for your DIYs, and if you did like it, then please give me a thumbs up. Marvin would really like you to give me a thumbs up, won't you? Whee! Okay, I will see you at my next video.